Welcome to Leyin Speak YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Lovers all over the world, welcome to our YouTube channel. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìyá Baraka àti kábíyèsí Oniba Ekun náà láṣẹ wà. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti mọ̀ pé a ti kọ́kọ́ fún yín ní update kan ní orí channel wa níbi tí ìyá Baraka tó ti sọ gbogbo àwọn ìwà tí kábíyèsí Oniba Ekun tí wọ́n wù, and then ó sọ àwọn ìwà tó náà wù, àwọn ìwà tí ọmọ náà wù nígbà tí àwọn ṣe marriage tán àti káwọn tó ṣe marriage. So àbúrò ìyá Baraka ló náà tún wá jáde síta, ló náà tún sọ̀rọ̀, ó sọ impact ẹ̀, ó sọ àwọn nǹkan tó mọ̀ nípa ìgbéyàwó Baraka àti nígbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe àbí tí wọ́n ṣe sí tán. Àwọn gbàdúrà pé ojú tó ń wò wá Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí a fibi sán gbogbo àwọn ọmọ wa ìgbà tó bá yẹ ká máa jèrè wọn. Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí a wà láyé bí aláìsí, because eléyìí ó tún gbẹnu tán. Ọ̀dọ̀ kábíyèsí Oniba Ekun wọn àti ìjáde kan sọ̀rọ̀, àsìnù tí káwọn náà sọ̀rọ̀ kí wọ́n fèsì kan tákù ìyá Baraka tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ ni ìyá Baraka sọ, tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé irọ́ ni, because ọ̀rọ̀ ìyá Baraka la sì tí gbọ́ for now àti ìgbọ́ kí kábíyèsí náà jáde kan sọ bí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣe rí. So update yẹn a máa mú wá fún yín.
Ọmọ ẹ fẹ́ ṣègbéyàwó mú ẹbí ẹ wá òdìdẹ́bọ̀ àṣírí ńláńlá òun àpẹẹrẹ kò fẹ́ ṣe. That was my daddy too. I wish she came. And when she come over, this is my mom and I'm staying with, honor you with full happiness, take you from where you sit at the compound, bring you inside. She has to even lead and greet you. She does not even give a fuck what is even going on at all. She give you a good honor. She honor you very, very well. There's no honor. She's one that train and come on. She know what she go through in her head. And the girl is not doing introduction. There's no honor. The emotion will be totally different from you that you were not there when we were growing up. We are coming up. And this woman never used that to do anything against you at all. I will have not come outside though, but for the fact that my mommy come outside and determining my father's name, determining my father's image is very, very bad. I called you. And funniest part, I was one that lived with you. And it was your mom that trained me and come up. I am the one that leave your house and go back to my father's side with my own hand. And this woman welcomed me with full confidence. Start like rebuild me all over again. Rebuild me all over like your own child. Everything that this woman have done, and you are still using this thing to repay her back, is not good. I'm a bimo, I'm a lolioko. I'm still telling you, this thing that you are coming on social media, if I want to marry now, would my family in-law said, they won't want to accept me, they want to be using, because there's no something on social media. If anything wants to happen, they will surely bring it back. Social media can never forget anything. They will bring it back. I talk to you as my own mother. You started shouting that okay, if it's that one, you and your sister should leave me alone. I don't want to have anything to do with you. Is it because of the small thing that you guys are giving me, that you guys are doing all this kind of thing? I don't know. Let me hold my 3 children. You and your sister to go and meet your father. That's what you told us. I forwarded everything to your husband. Your husband said I should calm down. That I know my mommy. If she's angry, she's ready to scatter everything. And I'm like, I don't want to exchange her because I will not want to do something that will regret in the future. Talk about our opinion, no matter share so long. I told you. The husband said, no worry. Since then, my mommy did not call me, no message me. I leave her alone because when she's angry, she's angry. I will leave her alone. I will not say anything. Even my sister naming ceremony, my daddy called me. No, I called me the day that my sister gave birth. That moment, my sister gave birth very early in the morning. As we heard the news, I carried my phone. When I was not from my mom, I give my mom 10 good missed calls. My mommy refused to pick it. She has to block that line. I have to fall on that phone again. Use it and be calling her. I have to call her husband. Abu me be mobile bye. Just number mom, she me number. Number touching the lotion. My sister called you daddy that she give birth. You did not pick her call for 3 good days. You did not pick her call at all. Now the 4th days when she called you, you did not pick. She be you are a mother, you will say Ibonile wa oba and everything. Mom did not say anything that. Mommy did not even say this or that. So mommy did not say anything like. Even my sister's husband called my mom. Mommy did not first speak. When she last speak, The guy said I was bidding and stuff like that. He explained things to me like, okay, you did not tell us that you want to come and stuff. When you did not take that kind of a step, okay, that name ceremony day. My son said, Auntie me, mommy must come on fair wa. Come on, pay I won't fish anything. Kin mashi by. I was like, okay, call her. When we called her, she first keep quiet, she's not saying anything. Then I start to ask her, okay, tell about fair wa. Kini o kote first so money to take first grandchild in Lele. What my mommy said. Yanya is shouting and Kelobako Somoloko, which is very, very bitter to me and my sister who could not say anything. She just hung the call on me. Who did the name and everything. That night my daddy called me. White mommy or she was saying name ceremony abue. I told him that we called her who did this, but she did not. My daddy was like, I might see what my mom is doing to him. That way, it's because of us, but then everything is fine. I should not worry. I tell my dad, my should not be angry. That he knows her and stuff. I've told you that anything that goes on in between me and my daddy, me and my sister did not know anything involved of it. You don't expect us to pull out inside. It's both of you issue. Our molaje ali fenuse or yati baba. Take what my father pay, my father forget if you could find learning. I don't care so anything. We did not say anything, we did not do anything wrong. That most time that my mom will have issue. Mom will be giving me different type of swear, different type of issue. I'll tell my mom, do you even know what I'm feeling right now? Do you know how I'm feeling? Do you even know if I'm inside trouble right now? Mom will say, that is not her business. Anytime she asks me for money, that is she's I say, how come me that if I don't even have money, I will make sure I go meet my father. I will go to my dad, daddy me, my dad like, okay, let's go. And I will send you the money immediately. I'll give you the money immediately. I'll give it to you. You are now coming on social media, painting us black, painting my father black, which man I never discussed any negative things about you. Till today, even as this matter is still going on, the only statement my father mentioned that did I see what my mom is doing, damaging his image. But online your mom in Mongo. So bad she be my worry. Because we just so jibele boy, I shall continue. And I told my dad that there's nothing I want to do. I've talked to her, I've begged her, I've did okay this morning when I saw this. I called my mom, when kilo shele bye. Oh my mom said, but I put tiri koko sheshe bere. And I was like, why are you okay? Why are you not doing different things on social media? Well, your daughter, we are seeing all this thing you are doing. All this now happen on social media. If you eventually want to settle this thing, you don't expect us to behave the same way with you again. Because we'll be scared that if we start again with you, can start doing that thing again. You are just blaming all this woman because this woman never treat us bad, never even treat your children bad, never even treat you bad. She did good, and then she be someone low. Which could they do? That mommy was bad, so that because my dad somebody should come or something just come and address, but I can't take it. I can't take because I know the kind of pain. I know the struggle, this woman's struggle, just because for us to be a better woman beating today. For me to even be like this, is this woman power. There's some woman that will be poisoning their husband's mind against their stepchildren now. But this woman never did anything so. She take us like her own children. Why is it not because of us now? You are destroying the woman's image, destroying my father's image. Man that sit on his own, find the way everything will be better for his kingdom and everything, how his children's life will be better. You never for once call this woman like if my mom have never done that. And this woman's never asked you. When I was my mom, you do come to our house at the other palace there. This woman never stop you not to enter the house. You even enter the palace, sit down. We welcome you well. We will do everything. You are doing when you start married, you start getting married to one affair like that, the affair starts saying different things. You stop coming to us. Even if we call you, you only ask us his money. And if we not give you, you start using your breast, your womb, everything to be sewing for us, for children. Making us be feeling bad. Mommy cannot say that. Mommy cannot say that whenever she give me voice note when she's crying, I will not react immediately. I can never hear my mommy crying that my body will be okay. I'll start shaking, start start shaking, start washing, just for me to at least I'm going to put more. At least I'm going to put more leg machine something there. That's how I will tell her. And then nothing pay me. I'm not angry with her or have any grudges against her. The only thing that pay me is the fact that you spoiled my father. That's what I am not happy for. You spoil my father as me because that is what you said.
Lovers all over the world, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti mọ̀ wípé update lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan náà la máa mú wá fún yín. Update tí a ti mú wá fún yín sẹ́yìn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ máa bá wa wo àwọn fídíòs yẹn tán. Ó lè jẹ́ pé àárín ni àwọn kókó ọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹ́ vital information táwọn ti torí ẹ̀ mú wá fún yín gan. Ó lè jẹ́ pé àárín yẹn ni yóò fọ́ sí, bọ̀ wọ́n kọ́kọ́ ní láti ṣe àwọn analysis kan kó tó di pé wọ́n sọ àwọn kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. So ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ channel wa, ẹ subscribe, ẹ likes, ẹ comment, ẹ share. So tẹ́ bá ti tan notification bell yín, gbogbo fídíò tá bá ti ń upload ẹ máa máa rí. So and then àwọn fídíòs tó wà lórí channel wa, eléyìí tó kọ́yàn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, tó kọ́yàn lọ́gbọ́n, tó kọ́yàn lóye, ó wà ń bẹ̀. So ẹ ṣé gan ni, we love you all.